My name is Ramon Tahmassebi. I'm a hand surgeon. I specialise in surgery of the hand, wrist and also of the elbow. I've been trained as an orthopaedic surgeon, but I really found my niche in this part of the body. And I drifted into medicine because I was always interested in science. I've always been interested in people, and for me it was the perfect match. It was the place where I guess I was supposed to be in life. I trained as an orthopaedic surgeon and never really thought that I would end up as a hand surgeon. But I ended up working almost accidentally for a hand surgeon during my training, and it was an enlightening experience. It was very different to what I had done before. It was very cerebral. It was very thought-provoking. I had to work harder to understand the subject, to understand how patients express their symptoms, understand the anatomy. The surgery itself was more challenging than surgery that I had experienced in the past. It was really multifaceted. Joints, ligaments, tendons, nerves, a lot of biomechanics, and it was really difficult. I think I was drawn towards the complexity, but I really found my niche in it, and I've stayed ever since. There are some patients who come in with a very good expectation because they have a friend who has a similar problem. People would have undoubtedly done some research on the internet, so sometimes people come really well armed with a specific expectation. More often than not, they've already seen a doctor who has maybe steered them in that direction, and that's fine. I just add a little bit of colour to the picture and help get them over the line, because they may understand the problem. I'll help them find that solution. I see quite a few patients who have been to see doctors already who haven't really been able to solve their problems, and I think that's the benefit of coming to a real specialist. All I do is hand, wrist and elbow. And therefore I've got a pretty good understanding of the nuances, the detail, the things which other people may not necessarily have such an in-depth knowledge of. So I should also think that I would want them to hope that they'll come and see me and find a solution to their problem.